My name is Nafisa Abdullahi, and I'm playing Mariam in the TV series Love and Ashes.
Are you here to confiscate my illegal photos?
No, not today. This is really great. You've clearly put a lot of work into this.
She's a photographer, and she's very passionate about her work. She's bold, she's fearless.
These are my people. I want to show that there's also happiness and joy and laughter here among us.
The role of Mariam is a very unique role. When I read the script, I really try to connect with the character.
Uncle Mustafa, let me ask you a question. Do you really think taking pictures is just a hobby for me? I travel for exhibitions of my work in cities like London and Berlin. People buy my pictures from countries all over the world. I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm bragging, but how can you look at any of this and still think I'm doing this just as a hobby?
I'm Nafisa Abdullahi. Please join me in the new television series In Love and Ashes.